Imagine boarding the same cruise ship that provided the perfect vacation last year, only to discover that half the items in your carefully packed suitcase are now banned, your favorite beverage package has been stripped of key benefits, and several ports on your itinerary are completely off limits. The cruise industry has undergone dramatic changes in just 12 months, creating a maze of new restrictions, fees, and limitations that catch even experienced travelers off guard. From technology bans that affect essential connectivity to entire cruise lines disappearing overnight, the landscape of cruise travel has shifted dramatically. What specific changes should seasoned travelers know about, and how can understanding these modifications prevent vacation disappointments? Cruise lines have implemented sweeping bans on electronic devices that were previously welcome aboard ships, including Bluetooth speakers confiscated at check-in on Carnival and banned from private islands on Royal Caribbean. Extension cords and power adapters now face strict limitations, with Royal Caribbean allowing only USB and USB-C connections, while prohibiting traditional electrical plug adapters. Personal routers, once used by tech-savvy passengers to create Wi-Fi hotspots for multiple devices, are now confiscated during security screening across major cruise lines. Senior travelers who rely on specific electronic devices for entertainment, medical equipment, or staying connected with family face significant challenges with these new restrictions. The elimination of traditional power adapters particularly impacts seniors who travel with CPAP machines, hearing aid chargers, or other medical devices that require standard electrical connections. Understanding these limitations allows seniors to research alternative charging solutions or contact cruise lines in advance to request medical exemptions for essential equipment. If technology restrictions are becoming more stringent, what other fundamental aspects of cruise travel have changed that could affect long-time passengers? Popular beverage packages have undergone significant modifications, with Princess Cruises removing canned sodas from their Princess Plus package while maintaining the same pricing structure. Cruise lines now enforce strict one-drink per order policies and have eliminated double measures from alcoholic beverage service. These changes represent a reduction in value for packages that many repeat cruisers have come to expect and budget for in their vacation planning. Senior travelers who have established preferences for specific beverage packages or dining arrangements may find their familiar cruise routines disrupted by these service modifications. The elimination of canned sodas particularly impacts seniors who prefer the convenience and portion control of canned beverages over fountain alternatives. These changes require seniors to reassess the value proposition of beverage packages and potentially adjust their onboard spending strategies. Beyond individual cruise line policy changes, what broader industry shifts are eliminating entire cruise options that seniors have enjoyed for decades? Many established cruise lines have permanently ceased operations, including P&O Cruises Australia after 90 years of service, American Queen Voyages with their Mississippi River paddle wheelers, and Victory Cruise Line's Great Lakes operations. Popular ships have been scrapped, sold to other lines, or converted to residential vessels, eliminating familiar cruise experiences that loyal passengers have enjoyed for years. These closures represent the loss of unique cruise styles and regional specializations that cater to specific travel preferences. Senior travelers who have developed loyalty to specific cruise lines or ship styles face disappointment when their preferred options permanently disappear from the market. The closure of regional specialists like American Queen Voyages eliminates culturally immersive experiences that particularly appealed to seniors interested in American history and river cruising. These changes force seniors to research new cruise lines and adapt to different service styles, potentially disrupting established travel patterns and relationships with preferred cruise staff. With entire cruise lines disappearing, what destinations and ports are also becoming inaccessible to cruise passengers this year? Popular cruise destinations have implemented passenger caps and ship size restrictions, with Bar Harbor, Maine, limiting daily cruise passengers to 1,000 and Santorini reducing ship calls due to over-tourism concerns. Political unrest has eliminated access to previously available destinations like Haiti's Labadee, while ongoing conflicts continue to affect Middle Eastern and Eastern European itineraries. Iceland's Ísafjordur now restricts daily passengers to 5,000, and Svalbard allows only ships carrying a maximum of 200 guests, significantly reducing cruise options to these dramatic destinations. Senior travelers who have bucket list destinations or prefer specific port experiences may find their desired itineraries unavailable or significantly altered from previous years. The reduction in port options particularly affects seniors who cruise specifically to visit certain destinations, as alternative ports may not offer the same cultural or historical significance. These limitations require flexible planning and may necessitate choosing different cruise regions or accepting modified itineraries that don't include previously accessible highlights. Beyond physical access restrictions, what new financial burdens are cruise passengers facing when visiting destinations that remain available? Destinations worldwide have introduced new entry fees specifically targeting cruise passengers, including Venice's $5 10-day trip tax, Iceland's substantial $19 per passenger per day fee, and Mexico's escalating annual fee structure starting at $5 per person. Electronic travel authorizations have expanded beyond traditional requirements, with the UK and South Korea introducing new ETA systems, while Europe prepares enhanced entry procedures requiring photographs and fingerprints. These administrative changes create additional planning requirements and unexpected costs for cruise travelers. Senior travelers on fixed incomes face significant budget impacts from accumulating port fees, with Iceland's charges alone adding $95 per person for typical itineraries. The proliferation of electronic travel authorizations creates complex administrative requirements that may challenge seniors less comfortable with digital processes or those with limited internet access. These changes require earlier planning, additional documentation, and increased cruise budgets that may affect seniors' ability to take multiple cruises per year. With all these destination and administrative changes, what onboard modifications are cruise lines implementing that affect the traditional cruise experience? Speaking of navigating complex travel requirements, this reminds me of working with Pamoja Safaris on African adventures. Their expertise in handling visa requirements, park fees, and changing regulations across multiple countries mirrors the kind of professional guidance cruise travelers increasingly need to navigate these evolving restrictions and costs. Cruise lines have implemented strict new safety regulations regarding cabin door decorations, with Norwegian completely banning decorations, while Carnival and Princess require all materials to be fire retardant certified. These changes eliminate traditional cruise traditions like themed door decorations that many passengers use to personalize their cruise experience and connect with fellow travelers. The modifications reflect increased safety consciousness, but represent a departure from the more relaxed atmosphere that characterized previous cruise experiences. Senior travelers who participate in group cruises or enjoy decorating their cabin doors as part of the cruise tradition must now research fire retardant materials or forego this social aspect entirely. The elimination of door decorations may reduce opportunities for seniors to connect with fellow passengers or participate in cruise communities that bond over shared themes or celebrations. These policy changes require seniors to adapt their cruise preparation routines and may diminish some of the personalization that makes cruising feel special. How do all these accumulated changes affect the fundamental value proposition and experience that has attracted seniors to cruise travel for decades? The evolution of cruise travel through technological advancements, service refinements, destination diversification, enhanced safety protocols, and updated policies represents a dynamic transformation that is reshaping the passenger experience. These industry developments reflect thoughtful responses to modern travel considerations, including health and safety priorities, environmental sustainability, cultural preservation, and the need for more personalized guest services. While these changes create a different cruise landscape than in previous years, they demonstrate the industry's commitment to long-term viability and continuous improvement. Senior travelers can approach cruise planning as an opportunity to discover enhanced possibilities and leverage their extensive travel wisdom to navigate this evolving industry with confidence. The current environment particularly rewards experienced cruisers who appreciate the value of thorough research and flexible planning, often discovering that their wealth of travel knowledge gives them distinct advantages in navigating the modern cruise environment. These industry adaptations, while requiring some adjustment in planning approaches and budget considerations, ultimately create opportunities for more structured, safety-conscious, and sophisticated cruise experiences that align well with senior preferences for quality and reliability. Given these significant changes, what strategies can experienced cruise travelers employ to maximize value and enjoyment in this new cruise environment? The cruise industry's rapid evolution requires senior travelers to stay informed about changing policies, restrictions, and opportunities that affect their vacation investments. To help you get started, we've prepared a free downloadable cruise packing list to make your planning easier. Simply scan the QR code on the screen to grab it. We've also included a list of trusted cruise lines for 2025, so you're always in safe hands. Like this video to support educational content about cruise safety and subscribe to stay informed about travel topics that matter to experienced travelers. For more details and exclusive deals, be sure to check the video description.